Engine down for Fire 1. I'll be there in a minute. Take a look at what you got. Take command. Start taking care of business.
It's the house. It's going. Hey, you guys bring every. Oh my God! Get to the car before. Oh.
Okay. What's happening? Tell me what.
The building, but it's a huge fire. I mean, I can see the fire over the building, the bank. It used to be a bank here. I don't think it's a bank anymore.
Okay. Is anybody in the room with him? How old is he? How old? He's 3? 3 years old? Yes.
Can you have the state investigator call me, please?
Mobile home structure fire, 6652 Dixie Street for engine 53, 26, 33, fire 5, 7, 11, fire 26, res 53 and 103, squad for tanker 53, 33, and 57 with squad 37, tower ladder 7, and engine 36 is written. All units are responding. Top group Bravo 5, B5.
My daughter, she just had a baby. I didn't even know she was pregnant. It's a boy or girl? Oh, look!
Okay.
It's a girl.
Yes, sir. How old's your daughter?
12. I didn't even, oh my gosh, like.
Okay.
Fire District 31, engine rescue 105, rescue 22, tanker 31, engine 22, with engine rescue 31 responding, receiving multiple patients, one's not breathing. For a traffic accident at 74 is 507450 Wilson Boulevard, intersecting Frank H. Peterson Academy.
Dailies, I have an employee that has a chunk of his ear bit off.
But there's a guy passed off on his bicycle with his head down on the handlebars. So I'm thinking maybe he might be overdosed.
Rescue 31, there's 2 DOS.
Tell me what happened.
I got bit by a dog.
Hello? Can someone hear me?
Yeah, y'all hear me? Yeah, we both shot.
You're both shot?
Yeah.
Okay. We got help on the way for you guys, okay? Where were you guys shot at?
Alright, so what did she spill on her?
Acid that you pour into the drainage, the unclogged clot.
Okay, so it's burning her? Alright, how old is she?
Yeah. She's 21. She put water on her body. She's supposed to put water on it?
Alright, she can flush her body, okay? You said 21, is she awake?
Fire 5 is on the scene. Single story, wood frame structure, heavy fire still on W3. Need the next engine to come up behind ladder 10 and go ahead and pull me a line. Rescue 3 from you, a 23-year-old male, trauma, red, trying to back, GSW, entry to the back, exit to the chest. He is currently PA, history of this.
You got electrocuted.
Electrocuted? Okay. Is he awake and breathing? Listen. Sir, I need you to talk to me. Is he awake?
Yes, he's I don't know, ma'am.
I need you to get with the patient.
Full rescue in front of my car. I have some people in the house next door. I want you to go in and set them for me, please. Hey, ladder 7, give me 1 trauma alert. I got a stab wound to the left side of the head. Female, she looks like she's in about her 30s. Rescue 49, we're going to go ahead and get you a trauma alert to UF downtown. Paramedic discussion, it's going to be a 51-year-old female patient. Jumped from a moving vehicle, head injury, approximately 15-minute ETA.
Okay, and what's going on, ma'am?
I just killed my boyfriend.
You say you what?
I just killed my boyfriend. I just seen the shooting.
THEJFRD, what 1051?
Oh.
Fire District 58, Talk Group Bravo 1, resident structure fire 2279, 2279,
Eagles Nest Road, intersecting Turtle Lake Lane for engine 50, 29, 55, and 30, fire 10, 2, and 12, ladder 50, rescue 29 and 107, tanker 29, 28, 54, with engine 30, ladder 30, squad 37 is red, all units responding, talk to Bravo 1, B1.
I've already sent them. It's your job to help him now. So try to compose yourself, ma'am. They're on the way.
Let's get a third line. Third line to the rear of the structure.
I mean, they're not gonna miss it. It's the whole top floor of this building's engulfed right now.
Okay, I've got help going out there. Stay on the line with me.
Fire District 28, Engine and Rescue 28, Engine and Rescue 72, GSW.
Command from ladder 50. Looks like the fire's up in the chimney. We're gonna start pulling some boards out of the inside. All clear on the primary. All crews exit the structure. I need a second line here off of engine 36. Send me a crew. Engine 28.
Good.
Got a tunnel alert. I've got a gunshot wound to the torso. Tanker 33 from command. As soon as Tanker 53 gets out of here, I'm gonna bring you in.
Fire District 23, talk to Bravo 1, residential structure fire, 4154, 4154, Churchill Road, intersecting Nottingham Road, for engine 23, squad 14, 25, engine 22, fire 6, 111, ladder 10, rescue 23, 105, tanker 31, 52, and 73, squad 37, engine 22, attempting engine, ladder, and AS, all engines running, talk to Bravo 1.
Engine 48, 49. Contact's gonna be a suicide town.
Maybe I just broke the damn water line trying to get some water on this fire.
Okay, listen, I already have help on the way, okay? What is
Okay,
the
bye.
number?
Fire District 18, ladder 7, rescue 15, rescue 104, stabbing Central 1, rescue 104, now receiving possibly 3 people stabbed.
Tell me exactly what happened. We just made some fire in the fireplace, and there's some heavy smoke coming through the chimney, and our neighbor noticed that there may be some fire going down up the chimney. Next thing you know, like, it just came out.
What came out, ma'am?
Like, my water just froze.
Okay. All right. I've got help started for you now. Stay on the line with me. What's the name of your apartment complex, please?
She drank. They were in an argument. She jumped out the truck. That's what I know. But she's bleeding out very, very bad, ma'am.
She jumped out of the truck?
She jumped out of the truck, yes, ma'am. That's all that.
Hey, it's Darton Airport Police, I'm alert 2 for runway 8.
Fire District 16, Tucker Bravo 1, alert 2, JIA, 2400, 2400, Yankee Clipper Drive, intersecting 60 Clipper Drive, for Fire 11, Fire 8, and Rescue 104 with Station 16 on scene, all units responding, Tucker Bravo 1.
And can you see any part of the baby now?
Yeah, she's holding her. She's in her arms.
Okay. All right. And how is the baby breathing?
Yeah, she's crying.
Okay, good.
Hey, where's that rescue going?
Fire District 25, Engine 22, Rescue 105, responding with Engine and Rescue 25, call upgraded to suspected cardiac arrest.
Engine 44 staging at Preston Square and Bay Meadows. Ladder 26, command power should be supplied. There is no meter on the box yet. It looks like the drop's cut at the pole.
Engine ladder 44, rescue 63 and 107. GSO on scene at advise clear proceed.
Engine 44, wings and Shama Red. Engine 26, go ahead, Starman Jazz. They're at 4th Century.
Fire District 44, H3, Rescue 21, 4545.
Hey, we're gonna need Red Cross for 3 adults, 1 child, please.
How many people are stabbed, ma'am? 2. Take it up the house. It's 2 people? Okay, 2 people stabbed.
This is Rescue 28 and that was you, a 21-year-old male. Two complaints, GSW. We have, at this time, 5 entry wounds. Still working on the BP, blood pressure, or I'm sorry, heart rate right now is 160. He's A&O times 2.
Fire District 33, Rescue 33, gunshot wound. 43, stand on job.
Rescue 33, single time.
Engine 61 going free. We got fire showing W3.